Everyone, I'm just grilling up some tilapia. Check it out. It's going along pretty good. I live here in Sattahip, Thailand, and seafood's pretty cheap here and very, very fresh. My wife and I, we like to use our grill sometimes, so why not? It's a Friday. We don't have to work tomorrow or nothing. I don't have any plans tonight. Why not hang out, cook on the grill? And then I'm gonna put some French fries in the air fryer we got, and we'll have fish and chips for dinner. And my wife should like this. Oh, the skin's already peeling off. It's already partly cooked. Look how nice this is coming out. Oh, this is almost done. The skin's like sticking to the rack and all the meat's exposing. Oh my God, is it looking good. Let's get that head nice and cooked. My wife, she loves them damn fish heads. Plain broil the tilapia fish head for the wife. I don't know why she likes it. Let's do a little plain broil with that. Because like that fish head, I want to make sure it's cooked good for her. Because the rest of the meat cooks pretty fast. She likes the fish eyes, and I put the bar through the eye. She might not get her fish eye. Oops, that's my bad. Man, that smells so good. tilapia just smells so amazing right now. Oh yeah, I'll be pulling that off and putting it in the pan here in a second. It's almost done. Man, that smells good. Oh, look at that nice crispiness. Man, I'm telling you, this smells absolutely amazing. Alright. I think it's done. Look, everybody. See that? Look at that. That's a nice looking tilapia. Oh yeah. Get that fat back in there for the wife. My wife's Filipino. She loves fish heads, fish fat, fish eyes. She don't waste nothing. I don't know how else to get it off. Might just hand her the rack and be like, pick it off, hon. I don't want her to miss out on her crispies though. She loves this crispy skin. I think that's going to be about all the more I'm going to peel off. If she wants more off there, she can pick through it. How's that? Thank you very much, everybody, for joining me. This has been Adventures with the Average Joe. I've just been grilling up some tilapia, cooking some fish on my grill. Anyway, it's done. I'm going to go finish preparing dinner. I do appreciate your help. I appreciate your views. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, hit the notification if you can, and if not, thank you anyway. And I hope to see you again. Until next time, have a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Goodbye, everybody.